We're going to do a quick manual installation of BackdropCMS. I'm going to do this on my local host. You may be doing it on a web server, so some of the things may look slightly different, but all the basic concepts should be covered here. First thing to do, go to the BackdropCMS website, backdropcms.org. Big button right at the top there, download Backdrop. That'll give you a copy on your computer, and it'll be all zipped up in one file. You can unzip that file and you'll have all these same files you see right here. I've got it ready to go here. This is my FTP client, so you may be using something different. This is within Coda. You may be using CyberDuck or FileZilla, something like that. On the left here we've got your local computer, so all the files we've just downloaded from BackdropCMS. And on the right here, log into your web server account and find the directory that your website will be hosted from. That information should all be available through your cPanel or control panel on your web server. Once you've logged in and got these things ready, just simply copy them over so that the Backdrop files are all available in your web server folder. Now, if we flip back to the website, you can see the original file is still there. I'm just going to refresh the page, and now Backdrop's installation page shows up. Click on Save and Continue, and it'll take you to the next screen where it's asking for the database information. If you have this already, great. If not, you may need to jump over to your control panel, your cPanel, and create a database. Take note of the MySQL username, the MySQL database name, and the password. In this case, I'm going to just create one here. Since it's localhost, I can do it right through PHP, my admin. Create that database. Now I'll jump back. And that's all I need to do. In some cases, depending on your host, you may have to look under the advanced options, but for many cases, you don't even need to look in there. You can see as soon as you click that, it's installing. Now it's allowing you to set some final configuration settings before you get to actually work on the site. So we're going to call this vanilla. You can put your site name there. The username, this is the primary user account, so the main administrative account that you'll be using. And you'll probably want to give it a better password than I do. It gives you a little indicator there. As soon as you click Save and Continue here, it does the final installation. And there you see it. There's the initial install of BackdropCMS. And you're already logged in as the administrator, so you have access to all of these different administrative functions, which we'll try to go over in upcoming editions.